The 2025 Bajaj CT sets a new benchmark in the commuter motorcycle segment, delivering a perfect blend of style, performance, and efficiency. Engineered with precision, this model is designed to meet the evolving needs of riders seeking reliability and affordability without compromising on modern features. At its core is a robust 450cc engine that combines exceptional power delivery with fuel efficiency, making it an ideal choice for both daily commutes and longer journeys. The advanced engine ensures smooth acceleration, reduced vibrations, and a refined riding experience, making every ride enjoyable. The design of the 2025 Bajaj CT exudes a fresh and modern appeal while retaining the simplicity that the series is known for. A redesigned fuel tank with bold graphics and aerodynamic contours enhances its aesthetic appeal, while the comfortable seat ensures an ergonomic ride for both the rider and passenger. Equipped with LED headlamps and taillights, it offers superior visibility, ensuring safety during night rides. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time information, including fuel efficiency stats, gear position, and maintenance alerts, keeping the rider informed and in control. Performance is further enhanced by the improved suspension system, which absorbs shocks effectively, ensuring a smooth ride even on uneven roads. The lightweight yet sturdy frame ensures agility, making it easy to maneuver through traffic or take on winding roads. Safety has been prioritized with advanced braking technology, featuring a combined braking system (CBS) and optional anti-lock braking system (ABS) for precise and confident stopping power. The 2025 Bajaj CT also addresses the needs of tech-savvy riders. It features smartphone connectivity, enabling navigation assistance and call alerts directly on the display panel. With an emphasis on eco-friendliness, the motorcycle complies with the latest emission norms, ensuring reduced carbon footprint without compromising performance. Its fuel-efficient engine is complemented by a spacious fuel tank, providing an extended riding range and reducing the need for frequent refueling stops. Maintenance is made hassle-free with Bajaj's reliable service network and durable components, ensuring the CT remains a trusted companion over the years. Affordably priced, the 2025 Bajaj CT offers exceptional value, making it accessible to a wide range of riders. It caters to urban commuters, rural users, and even touring enthusiasts who value dependability and performance. In essence, the 2025 Bajaj CT redefines the commuter motorcycle experience with its balance of functionality, innovation, and affordability. It reflects Bajaj's commitment to creating motorcycles that resonate with riders' expectations, making it a worthy addition to the lineup and a dependable partner on the road.